1,000,000 miles. That's what these diesel trucks can achieve when properly maintained. From worksite warriors to highway haulers, these machines were built to outlast everything else on the road. After analyzing maintenance records, owner reports, and long-term reliability data, we've identified the most bulletproof diesel trucks ever made. Number 10, the Nissan Titan XD, specifically models from 2016 to 2019. Powered by a 5-liter Cummins V8 producing 310 horsepower and 555 pound-feet of torque. This truck bridged the gap between half-ton and 3/4-ton pickups. The Cummins engine delivers exceptional reliability for moderate work, particularly in towing applications up to 12,000 pounds. The engine's cast iron block and forged steel crankshaft contribute to its durability under heavy loads. The Titan's true strength lies in its maintenance-friendly design. The engine bay provides excellent access to critical components, making regular service more straightforward than many competitors. However, owners need to focus on 3 critical areas: the DEF system, transmission fluid maintenance, and oil change intervals. The DEF system requires regular cleaning to prevent crystallization and sensor failures. Premium synthetic oil changes every 10,000 miles, rather than stretching to the maximum interval, significantly extend engine life. The transmission benefits from fluid changes every 50,000 miles when used for heavy towing. Long-term durability tests show that Titans maintaining this schedule consistently reach 250,000 miles without major powertrain repairs. Number 9, the Chevrolet Colorado, 2016 to 2022 models. The 2.8-liter Duramax 4-cylinder generates 181 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, modest numbers that mask impressive capability. This mid-sized truck consistently achieves over 30 mpg highway while maintaining the ability to tow 7,700 pounds. The engine's iron block and aluminum head design provide excellent heat distribution, crucial for long-term durability. Colorado owners who achieve high mileage follow specific maintenance protocols. The turbocharger requires a 3-minute cool-down period after highway driving and 5 minutes after towing. This prevents oil coking in the turbo bearings, a common failure point in neglected engines. Fuel filter changes every 20,000 miles protect the common rail injection system, which operates at pressures exceeding 29,000 psi. The DEF system demands attention every 5,000 miles, with sensor cleaning and fluid quality checks essential for preventing emissions-related failures. Fleet data shows these engines regularly exceeding 300,000 miles when maintained properly, with some commercial users reporting minimal repairs even beyond 400,000 miles. Subscribe now because the next section reveals crucial maintenance data about 3 legendary diesel power plants that have achieved million-mile status. Number 8, the Ram 1500 EcoDiesel from 2014 to 2018. This 3-liter V6 revolutionized the half-ton diesel market with 240 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. The VM Motori-designed engine features a compacted graphite iron block, structural aluminum oil pan, and dual overhead camshafts, engineering choices that prioritize longevity. The engine's chain-driven timing system eliminates the maintenance requirements of belt-driven alternatives, while the high-pressure common rail fuel system delivers precise injection timing for optimal combustion efficiency. Critical maintenance involves more than basic oil changes. The EGR cooler requires inspection every 30,000 miles to prevent clogging and potential failure. Oil quality directly impacts the timing chain wear. Only premium synthetic oil meeting MS 11106 specifications should be used. The cooling system demands attention to the auxiliary coolers for the transmission and EGR system. Maintaining proper coolant chemistry prevents internal corrosion that can lead to expensive repairs. Successful EcoDiesel owners report following a strict maintenance schedule. Oil changes every 7,500 miles, fuel filters every 15,000 miles, and transmission fluid changes every 60,000 miles. This regimen helps many trucks exceed 250,000 miles without major mechanical issues. Number 7, the Ford F-150 Powerstroke from 2018 to present. Ford's 3-liter V6 diesel brings 250 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque, along with advanced materials and design features that enhance reliability. The engine block uses compacted graphite iron, the same material used in heavy-duty truck engines. The common rail fuel injection system operates at 29,000 psi, delivering precise fuel atomization while maintaining long-term durability. Ford engineered this engine with lessons learned from the 6.7-liter Powerstroke, incorporating improved cooling passages and upgraded bearing materials. Successful Powerstroke owners focus on fuel system cleanliness. Water separator draining should occur monthly, regardless of mileage. The high-pressure fuel pump relies on diesel lubricity. Using top-tier diesel fuel prevents premature wear. The variable geometry turbocharger turbocharger benefits from highway driving, as sustained operation helps prevent carbon buildup on the vanes. Cooling system maintenance is crucial. The engine uses a sophisticated dual-loop cooling system that requires specific pressure testing procedures every 60,000 miles. Early adopters report excellent reliability, with many trucks now approaching 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Number 6. The Chevrolet Silverado HD, specifically 2001 to 2007 and 2011 to 2016 models. The 6.6-liter Duramax engine lineup, particularly the LBZ variant, represents diesel engineering excellence. Power output ranges from 300 to 397 horsepower and up to 765 pound-feet of torque. The engine's deep skirt block design and 6-bolt main bearing caps create a robust foundation for high-mileage operation. The Duramax features a lower compression ratio than competitors, reducing stress on internal components while maintaining efficiency through precise injection timing. The Duramax Allison combination defines reliability through over-engineering. The LBZ variant eliminated problematic emissions components while retaining the robust architecture of earlier designs. 6 head bolts per cylinder ensure proper clamping force under high boost conditions. The Garrett turbocharger uses a larger oil drain back design than previous models, significantly reducing bearing wear during cold starts. The Allison transmission's adaptive shifting strategy continuously adjusts clutch pressures based on driving conditions, extending transmission life well beyond 300,000 miles when properly maintained. Commercial fleet data shows these trucks regularly achieving 500,000 miles with basic maintenance, while properly maintained examples often exceed 750,000 miles. Number 5, the GMC Sierra HD series, focusing on 2001 to 2007 and 2011 to 2016 models. These trucks share the legendary 6.6-liter Duramax platform with the Silverado, but GMC's additional quality control measures during assembly resulted in marginally better long-term reliability scores. The engine's output matches its Chevrolet counterpart, 300 to 397 horsepower and up to 765 pound-feet of torque. Sierra owners report slightly lower warranty claim rates, particularly regarding electrical systems and interior components. The Sierra's reliability stems from its robust foundation. The engine block features integral oil passages that reduce external plumbing, minimizing potential leak points. The high-pressure fuel system operates at 26,000 psi, striking an optimal balance between performance and component longevity. Fleet data indicates these trucks excel in cold weather operations, with the engine's glow plug system showing exceptional durability even in sub-zero temperatures. The cooling system incorporates a larger oil cooler than the Silverado, providing additional thermal capacity during extended towing sessions. Maintenance records show that Sierras following the recommended service intervals regularly achieve 400,000 miles before requiring major repairs. Critical maintenance points include fuel filter changes every 15,000 miles, despite the factory recommendation of 22,500 miles. The shorter interval prevents injector scoring and maintains proper fuel pressure. Transmission fluid analysis every 30,000 miles helps identify wear patterns before they become problematic. Coolant replacement with the specific Dex-Cool formulation every 100,000 miles prevents corrosion in the aluminum components. Number 4, the Ford Super Duty lineup, specifically the 1999 to 2003 7.3-liter Power Stroke, and from 2017 to present models equipped with the 6.7-liter Power Stroke engine. The 7.3-liter stands as a benchmark for simplicity and durability, producing 275 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque. The modern 6.7-liter takes this legacy further, delivering up to 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. Both engines demonstrate exceptional longevity, though through different engineering approaches. The 7.3-liter Power Stroke's success comes from its mechanical simplicity. The hydraulic injection system eliminates complex electronics, while the straightforward turbo design minimizes failure points. The only common issue, the camshaft position sensor, costs under $100 and takes 30 minutes to replace. Oil analysis data shows these engines maintaining excellent wear characteristics beyond 500,000 miles when serviced properly. The modern 6.7-liter Power Stroke employs sophisticated engineering to achieve reliability. Its compacted graphite iron block provides 75% more strength than traditional iron. The single sequential turbocharger eliminates the complexity of dual turbo setups while delivering superior response. Fleet maintenance records reveal optimal service intervals. Oil oil changes using 15W40 CJ4 oil every 7,500 miles, fuel filters every 15,000 miles, and coolant analysis every 30,000 miles. These practices help 7.3-liter engines exceed 750,000 miles on original internal components, while the 6.7-liter consistently achieves 350,000 miles before requiring major service. Number 3. Ram 3500 Heavy Duty. From 2019 to present, the 6.7-liter Cummins high-output engine represents the pinnacle of modern diesel engineering, producing 400 horsepower and 1,075 pound-feet of torque. This power plant combines decades of Cummins reliability with modern technology. The block features additional reinforcement at critical stress points, while the forged steel connecting rods use aircraft-grade fasteners. Ram's engineers focused on thermal management, implementing a sophisticated cooling system that maintains optimal operating temperatures under extreme loads. The compound turbocharger system provides excellent throttle response while operating at lower boost pressures than competitors, reducing stress on internal components. The fuel system features larger supply lines and enhanced filtration, protecting the common rail system even with varying fuel quality. The oil pan incorporates additional baffling to maintain oil pressure during extreme angles, while the valve train features harder-than-stock valve seats for improved durability. Commercial users report success with 5,000-mile oil change intervals using synthetic 5W40 oil, coupled with fuel filter changes every 12,000 miles. The DEF system requires cleaning and calibration every 67,500 miles to prevent efficiency losses. Early reliability data shows these trucks maintaining structural integrity beyond 300,000 miles, with many commercial operators reporting minimal repairs at high mileage. Number 2, the Ram HD series again, particularly the 1994 to 1998 12-valve, 2003 to 2007 common rail, and 2010 to 2013 6.7-liter Cummins models. The 12-valve 5.9-liter Cummins, producing 215 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque, set industry standards for simplicity and durability. Later variants increased output while maintaining the core reliability that made these engines legendary. The 12-valve's mechanical injection pump eliminates electronic complications, while its overbuilt bottom end handles significant power increases without internal modifications. The common rail models introduced modern fuel efficiency while retaining the robust foundation. The 6.7-liter continued this tradition, adding emissions equipment without compromising core reliability. The key to these engines' longevity lies in their conservative engineering, lower stock power outputs, but massive durability margins. Documented cases show 12-valve engines exceeding 1 million miles on original bottom ends, while common rail versions regularly surpass 600,000 miles. Number 1, the Toyota Hilux diesel lineup, representing global diesel reliability since 1984. Though not available in all markets, this truck has earned its reputation through unmatched durability in the harshest conditions worldwide. Modern variants feature the 2.8-liter GD engine, producing 201 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. While these numbers appear modest, they mask the engine's true capability, virtually bulletproof reliability. Toyota's engineering philosophy prioritizes long-term durability over maximum performance. The engine block features additional webbing for structural rigidity, while the timing chain design has been proven to last beyond 300,000 miles. The injection system operates at lower pressures than competitors, reducing stress on components while maintaining efficiency. Military and humanitarian organizations worldwide choose the Hilux diesel for its ability to run reliably with minimal maintenance in extreme conditions. Documented cases show these engines regularly exceeding 500,000 miles in commercial service, with many surpassing 750,000 miles in severe duty applications. The engine that powers your next truck will likely outlive several transmissions, transfer cases, and even bodies if you choose wisely and maintain it properly. Our next video reveals the exact maintenance schedules that help these engines achieve legendary status.